Hello, yes, this is a poem about my childhood, where kitchen and my mother is a big part of my childhood. The sounds of childhood. The clang and bang in the kitchen, my mother singing in the background. The smell of the sizzling onions, the meowing of the kitten. My father chanting the Gayatri mantra, the sound of the shower, the evening movies on Doordarshan, the playing of the jantra. The honking of the cars and lorries, the din-dan of the shops below, the tingling bells of the bhelpuri wala, the gyrating of the trolleys. Our pattering feet up and down the stairs, the unending weaving of stories by Ma, of fairies, giants, and morals, of wild animals and their lairs. Thank you.